Y'all, my baby gonna be on TV.
Turn it up,
Trey,
come
come
on.
Thanks for joining us, Trey. So how was life growing up?
You know, it was rough, man. Like, you know, I really grew up poor. You know, I was raised in the trenches. What?
That is so crazy, Trey.
Was he really?
No, I want to know what trenches he's talking about because he was raised in Beverly Hills.
I couldn't imagine how rough life was for you, Trey.
Yeah, I mean, sometimes, like, you know, I didn't even know what my next meal was. Like, there were times where I had to go to bed having sleep for dinner. Like, it was that rough for real. Boy, you always knew your next meal. We had 2 fridges because you ate too damn much. You know, people constantly told me that I wasn't going